In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add hyperlinks in email using Gmail app. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Once you are in the inbox view, look for the Compose option and select it to create a new email. This opens a blank message where you can write your content. Next, go into the body of the email and type the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. This is the visible wording that people will actually read, like a short phrase or a call to action. After you have typed it, press and hold on that text. Then adjust the selection handles so only the exact words you want are highlighted. Take a moment here because the link will be attached to whatever is selected. If you accidentally highlight extra spaces or punctuation, the link may look odd or be harder to tap. With your text still highlighted, open the formatting and editing options for the message. Depending on your screen, you may need to tap the highlighted area again to bring up the menu, or tap the editing tools in the Compose window. Keep the text selected as you do this. Now choose the option to insert a link. In some versions, it may appear as a link icon, or it may be labeled as an option to insert an untracked link. Select that link option to open the link editor. You should now see fields where you can enter the display text and the web address. Tap into the text field first and type the exact wording you want to show in the email. If it is already filled in from your highlight, you can leave it as is or edit it to make it cleaner and easier to understand. Then tap into the link field and type or paste the full URL you want to connect to that text. For best results, include the complete address, starting with HTTPS, so Gmail recognizes it correctly. Double-check for typos, because a single missing character can break the link. When everything looks correct, tap Apply. Gmail will convert the highlighted text into a clickable hyperlink. Finally, tap on the linked text in the email body to confirm it shows as a link and appears the way you expect. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.